to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this exponential equation. We have here the fifth root of 7 to the power of 12 plus 7 to the power of x over 7 to the power of x plus 7 squared is equal to 7. The first step is get rid of this exponent by multiplying this to the power of 5. So we will get rid of that and we will be left with 7 to the power of 12 plus 7 to the power of x over 7 to the power of x plus 7 squared will be equal to 7 to the power of 5. We've taken the fifth root on this side, the power of 5, and the fifth power on this side. Okay, now we can bring this up here. All right, so we're left with 7 to the power of 12 plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2. So, all right, now we have to multiply. Remember, when we multiply numbers, exponents like this, we are actually adding them. This is where we make the mistake. We would say this is 5x, this is not 5x. Let's just carry on. Now we have 7 to the power of 12 plus 7 to the power of x is equal to, let's just keep it as it's 7 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of x, that's this, plus 7 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of 2 will be 7 to the power of 7. All right, we have to add them. All right, and since I cannot add these two, I'm leaving it as it is. All right, now I see 7 to the power of x here and here. Let's group them together and bring them to this side of the equation. So we have 7 to the power of x. All right, I'm going to bring this to this side of the equation. So minus 7 to the power of 5 plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 7 minus, now this goes, 7 to the power of 12 now goes to the other side of the equation, minus 7 to the power of 12. Now looking at this, I find that 7x is common here and here, and it can be factored now. Let's take it out. We have 7 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus 7 to the power of 5. Looking at this, I can even do the same thing here. I notice 7 to the power of 7 is common, and I'm left with 1 minus 7 to the power of 5 here. And having this on both sides, they cancel. And we're left with 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 7, and x will be equal to 7. And that is your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.